So right now what we're trying to do is we're trying to extend the life of the Chromebooks that we purchase for our students in the schools, keep them having a longer lifespan than we would normally have had. We had a lot of breakage since we went to the one-to-one program. So these interns here are helping us out. They're doing a lot of repair on all of our machines. Our goal is to have 1,000 repaired by the end of the summer.
This internship has really made a positive impact on the community. For one, we're out here repairing these Chromebooks, and these Chromebooks can go back to children and students who don't have the resources that can afford their own laptops. And now those students have the opportunity to learn with these laptops and have access to a lot more resources.
One of the most things I was excited for with this program, when I saw the email asking for computer repair technicians, I was really excited because I want to go to Cypress College through the Anaheim Pledge regarding information technology, computer information systems, computer science, that kind of general field. So seeing the flyer for this made me excited because this is something that I would be able to put on my resume. Like I have experience repairing computers.
This was my first job in tech, and I specifically chose this because there's not a lot of women in technology, and I'm trying to make a difference. And building my first computer was a big deal because I had never done it before. Just the skills I have gained from building that will impact my career in the future, and I'm really proud of that.
For the future, we're hoping that we can evolve this program into something where we can maybe even eventually hire these people on if we have any openings that come up in the future. Right now they're working on Chromebooks, but in the future perhaps we can expand this to doing more PCs or laptops or labs. That's our hope, really, is that we can get this expanded and broaden the scope of work that they get trained on and the information that they learn.